welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the brakes after you replace the brake pads on a BMW. The brake reminder or warning might not reset, so you need to reset it with a scan tool, and in this case I'm going to show you how to do that. So in this case you want to go to maintenance, and so BMW uses what's called CBS, or condition based service, and in this scan tool is actually going to be under oil reset. So go to BMW and then select Smart VIN, then press yes. This is 2017 BMW 7 Series. So you want to select special functions here, and then you can reset without tools. It gives you instructions how to do it through the buttons on the steering wheel basically, or reset with tools. So we'll go with option 1, CBS reset UDS. That's what you want to select, and it's going to communicate with the vehicle and read the current status of things like the oil condition and the brake pads and vehicle status and so on. So you gotta give it a minute, and then here you can see where you can reset engine oil, front brakes, rear brakes, brake fluid level, condition. So that's not the level. So the brake fluid, it's recommended to change it every 24 months or so. So vehicle check, emissions. So in this case we just want to reset front brakes. It says not calculated. Do not press the brake pedal while you do this. So we selected option 2, front brake. Should the CBS reset be carried out? And you want to say yes. One thing, once it's done, one thing to pay attention to is these numbers on the right here. This will go up. So if the reset was completed, this went up from 1, went up to 2. So the next time you reset it, that counter goes up by 1. So that's something to keep in mind on. So this is how you reset front or rear brake pad wear sensors. So thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.